birth and childhood. According to Hindu mythology, Ram was born in Ayodhya as the son of King Dashratha and Queen Kaushalya. He was raised as a prince and was known for his virtuous character, strength, and wisdom from a young age. The abduction of Sita, the story of Ram, is centered around his quest to rescue his wife Sita, who was abducted by the demon king Ravana. Ram gathered an army of monkeys and bears to help him in his quest. And after a long and difficult battle, he was able to defeat Ravana and rescue Sita. Divine powers. As an avatar of Vishnu, Ram is considered to be an embodiment of divinity and is said to possess supernatural powers. He is known for his bravery, wisdom, and strength, and is revered by Hindus for his unwavering devotion to truth and justice, a symbol of righteousness. The story of Ram has become a symbol of righteousness and virtue in Hinduism, and he is revered as an ideal of good governance and as a model how a ruler should behave. He is also considered to be a symbol of the importance of duty, honor, and selflessness, worship, and devotion. Ram is widely worshipped by Hindus, particularly in northern India, and his followers celebrate his life and achievements through various rituals and festivals. The festival of Ram Navami is a major Hindu festival that celebrates his birthday, and it is a time for devotees to come together to offer prayers, perform devotional songs and dances, and participate in other religious activities. In conclusion, Ram is a central figure in Hinduism and is considered to be one of the most revered deities in the religion. He is known for his bravery, wisdom, and strength, and is revered as a symbol of righteousness and as a model of good governance. Whether you are a student of Hinduism or simply interested in learning about the religion, understanding the role of Ram and his powers is an important aspect of understanding the rich cultural and spiritual heritage of India.